Good morning, afternoon, or evening, YouTubers. This is not one of our numbered designs, or actually, technically, this was one of our model designs. We are taking up to prop size. So we retweaked the He-Man sword design to break it up into 3 parts that are able to plug in for a better connection. So printing this one out now to take to Earth with us. Everything's looking good so far. We'll know in, another 40 hours. I think this is going to be like a 42 to 44 hour print. Actually, it could be a lot longer because it said it was 41 and change. And that slicer could be off up to 20 to 30% at times. I'm hoping it's not that much. I'm hoping this is less than a 45 hour print, but I am prepared for it to be a couple days if need be. So we shall see. Everything's looking pretty good so far. I always get nervous when I print such a long print though, because I have yet to get a battery backup or anything for the tornado. And one little power surge and everything's lost. So I probably shouldn't even have just said that. Now if it happens, I will blame myself for saying it. No, I'm not superstitious. I'm really not. I just don't want to see that happen. Uh-oh, is that up back there? Oh, it is. Oh, man. It is. Oh, man. I don't know. I don't know if I should let it go or not. I'm 4 hours in. I mean, it seems to be... Let's take a look from this view. It is just on the supports there, but still. Well, I'm going to let it roll. We'll find out what happens. Could be a bad mistake. Before it's all said and done, I may end up having to redo this and do it one piece at a time, but time tells all tales, and let's just hope this tale gets told. Might get a little tape, throw tape on there. Matter of fact, I will do that. I'll MacGyver it. Alright, looking pretty good. Put a little piece of tape on the front, along with the back there. Everything seems to be going pretty good now. So, this comes out nice enough. Hopefully all I gotta do is remove the supports, slight sanding, and clear coat it. It'd be nice to have a cool purple haze He-Man sword. And this is gonna take almost that full roll. Good thing that thing was almost full when I got it, because it's gonna take just about all of it. We plan to start making prop videos like this, taking some of our designs we've already done, retweaking them, adding some plugins to be able to connect them easier, and gonna make videos as we do it and post them. Slowly but surely, and my name ain't Shirley. It just ain't never enough time in the day to do all this stuff. But it all sounds really good. Looks great on paper. Maybe I should try writing it down. Okay, that was stupid. I'm easily amused, but so be it. Alright, this is looking pretty good. Everything looks good so far. I do really like the color of this purple haze filament. So I'm going to try to just leave the sword in this actual color. We won't paint this one and clear coat it in those. As long as the supports come off easy enough. Never say never. You know, I've actually never understood that saying because you can say never in a lot of situations. Forget that. That's a dumb saying. It's one of those things that just don't make sense. Oh, sorry about that. The message is coming through while I'm filming. That's how professional I am. Well, of course I'm professional. I'm using my cell phone, right? Alright, let's take a look, see how our He-Man sword's doing. What the heck? What the hell, buddy? Well, it's looking good. Yeah, okay, I had a heck of a mess up last night in the middle of the night in the He-Man sword. It caught and snagged and screwed it all up and had to stop it. So I'm going to reslice it. Actually, I did reslice it. Broke it up into separate pieces instead of all at once. And I had some issues getting it on the SD card this morning, and I didn't have time to reboot the laptop to do it again. So we're printing a Master Sword. I might print a couple of these just to give out as Earth to a couple of special occasions there. I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, I'm printing this, and I'll start the He-Man sword after it. Alright, now I got the He-Man sword going again. So this is the third part, or this is the, I named it part 3. Obviously, this is the tip of the sword. So we got a nice plug-in for a good connection. Obviously, we're still going to glue it. That just gives it a little extra, so it doesn't have a tendency to want to snap right at the joint. Sweet, and I got the under 3 all fixed, all going now with no skipping issues. Ended up, I had to tape one wire up back here. I taped that up, and then what I really think the issue was here. I had to loosen these, pull that out a little bit. I think the belt was just a little too loose. I think it was grabbing, dragging, snagging. At least I don't know. It all sounds good. Either way, it is working right now without 10,000 layer shifts, so, or even one rather. But this is what I'm really stoked about. This really nice He-Man sword. I love the color of this filament. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the whole thing out in it. But if I can, that's going to be awesome. In fact, I should get online and buy one more roll of this filament anyhow. It's going to be days of printing. I would like to have it all in that. Alright, I think I'm going to do that. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. But at least I'm thinking. Sounds good anyhow. Alright, this is looking really good. Over 8.5 hours so far. Sweet, finished up. It's looking really good. There's the tip of it. So it'll be about 3 times that. It's gonna be a pretty good size. I like that. Hopefully we got the gap right on our plugs. I mean, it doesn't matter, I'll sand whatever, and we're gonna glue it, so really like this purple. Alright, there's one. Now to get that second one going. Hopefully it goes just as smooth. Alright, second piece is looking pretty good. The supports are looking good. That little chunk right there is looking really good. Slowly but surely, and just don't call me Shirley. This one here is going to be probably about a 22-hour print. Maybe a little more. Yeah, actually this is probably going to be closer to 25. Oh well, I gotta get another roll of this anyhow to do the third piece. I got enough to finish this one. You know, I want it all in this. I hit the other one, sanded up, and I clear coated it, and it looks pretty good. Alright, I gotta get to work. Hopefully this is looking good when I get home at lunch. Alright, looking pretty good, home at lunch. Really like this color. Oh crap, just reminded me I gotta get out and order another roll. Alright, getting ready to head back to the office. Sort of looking pretty good. I can't wait for this. I'm so stoked to actually have a full-size one. Pretty close to it anyhow. It's looking so good. Alright, so I got the filament in today. I'm printing the third part to the He-Man sword. It's looking pretty sweet. This thing is looking so sweet. Oh, I can't wait to get this sword put together. finished. Oh yeah, nice. Pop that off there, take it outside, get it put together. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, got it all assembled. It's looking really good. Get it all sanded down, clear coated up. I'll probably XTC this for some extra durability. And this is going to be so sweet at Earth. Hopefully I can blend in the joints, sand this down, patch a little if I have to, sand it, clear coat it to keep the natural purple haze color of that filament. I really like that filament, so I'm going to do everything I can to try to keep this sword that color. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so if it focuses in here. So I got the He-Man swords all done up and ready, but that joint is just bothering the heck out of me. And I really like the colors of this and all, you know, and it's all XTC'd up last night, but that joint there, that's not that big a deal. And yeah, it bothers me a little bit right there. But this one here, it's, my eyes are automatically drawn to it, and I can't get away from it. But at the same time, I don't know if it detracts from the overall of the sword. So what do you think? Do you think the connection lines detract from the piece itself? Should I go ahead and just paint it up? Or do you think I should leave it just like this? And the connection lines aren't that big a deal, and the natural filament color should stay. I'm taking an opinion, taking a poll, rather. I need opinions. So, please let me know what you think. I would appreciate it. Trying to get this done and get this video up. Have this ready for Earth. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Alright, everyone knew I was going to paint it, right? So, painted it up, and I'm going to go ahead and patch up the parts I was not really thrilled with to begin with, and sand it up, and paint it, clear coat it. I might even XTC it one more time. Maybe. We'll see. Earth is 4 weeks away. We got a lot to do. Still so much I want to get done just to prepare for it. It's getting there though. Skewed View 3D plans to make our mark at Earth. We'll see how it goes. Hope you're enjoying our work. Alright, just chilling out for work, getting ready to head to the office, watching Walter at Country 3D. This morning coffee, finishing up on the He-Man sword. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to turn sideways here, get full view. It's wet right now, so I can't touch it, but we're almost done. Yeah, of course it's got imperfections and everything, but I think it looks much better painted. So I will probably get this video finished up tonight. I've got our first 2 design videos of the week I got to finish up and splice and get them posted. So I got a bunch of content getting ready to pop all at once. Maybe I'll spread it out deliberately though. Alright, there we go. All done. This actually, I had to go back and look because I knew it was one of our earlier ones. This was actually the first design we did this year, was the He-Man sword. And then we just revamped it to cut it up to do full size. And I think it turned out cool. This will be at Earth with us. I might have one or two other items in the work. Well, maybe not in the works. Maybe in the thought process anyhow. We'll see. If you liked the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful night. God bless.